Yeah, 26, 27 inches of snow. Eesh. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you can see, we have a lot of snow.
A few moments later.
Two of them. Oh man, no, there goes my mailbox. Now the plows just went by, and now I don't see my mailbox, and who knows, it could have got wiped out. Okay, well, let's see what I can do for footage for you, and let's get started. Holy cow, man, that stuff is pretty deep. The wind is just wreaking havoc with me. I'm trying to get good footage, but it looks like we're going to have to keep the camera in here. So, okay, let me try and get some footage from inside the cab. know if you can tell how deep the snow is here at the end of the driveway, but probably a good 3 to 4 feet. I am not looking forward to unburying the cars. This is going to be a pain. Okay, everybody, here we are, all done. About 3 hours later. Wow. Not gonna lie, that was hard. As you can, well, I'll take the camera around and show you, but digging a path to my front door, probably about 3 to 4 feet deep. That was not fun. That was hard. Anywho's, if you stuck around to watch the video, I really appreciate it. And if you found this to be kind of cool and fun, thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Even consider subscribing. That's it for now. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.